Don't count the days. Make the days count. Initially, don't do too many tests. If you ask me, it is nothing more than a waste of time. Focus on improving the skill level. Following 5 multiplication 3 strategy. By this, I mean 30 words, 5 grammar structures, 10 connectors, and 5 phrases every day. Be consistent with this plan and you will see the results. Do not set unrealistic goals. Focus on something achievable. To start DAY 1. Start with this beautiful quote by Mahatma Gandhi, "The future depends on what you do today." In the morning, review grammar rules related to tenses, and practice constructing sentences. After having a rest of few hours, complete a reading comprehension exercise. Remember only one passage is enough, which must have a moderate level of difficulty. Note down vocabulary items. In the evening, watch a news segment or documentary in English to improve listening skills. You should remember we should avoid movies or songs. Always jot down notes. Welcome, it's day 2. Theodore Roosevelt once famously said, "Believe you can and you're halfway there." In the morning, study and practice linking words and phrases to improve writing cohesion. In the afternoon, listen to an English podcast on a topic of interest, and take notes. Beware, we shouldn't watch movies or songs. In the evening, practice speaking about a recent news event or current affairs topic. Always practice in front of the mirror, using a recorder. Day 3. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. Said by Winston Churchill. In the morning, review strategies for IELTS listening, like predicting answers, and understanding different accents. In the afternoon, write a short essay responding to a typical IELTS writing task 2 prompt. No issue if it's short on words. Focus more on quality. In the evening, watch an English podcast or a news segment without subtitles to enhance listening comprehension. You must have got it by now that we must jot down notes. Day 4. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. A truly inspirational advice by Steve Jobs. In the morning, practice 2 passages of IELTS reading with a focus on skimming and scanning for information. Make a list of key vocabulary. In the afternoon, engage in a debate or discussion in English with a friend or language partner. In the evening, study and practice synonyms and antonyms to expand your vocabulary range. Revise vocabulary collected throughout the week. DAY 5. Beautiful words to mark the beginning of a glorious day. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. In the morning, review conditional sentences, like if and when, and practice using them in the context. In the afternoon, write a letter for IELTS General Training Task 1 or review strategies for IELTS Academic Task 1. Evening, listen to a TED Talk or educational video in English to improve listening skills. Do make notes. DAY 6. In Robert Collier's words, success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. In the morning, complete a full-length IELTS practice test to simulate exam conditions. In the afternoon, review the practice test and analyze mistakes to identify areas for improvement. Important that you make notes of your mistakes. In the evening, reattempt the parts of the test wherein you didn't do very well. There is no shame in attempting the same questions. DAY 7. Stay committed, stay positive, and you'll achieve your goals. Morning, study and practice speaking about graphs, charts, and diagrams for IELTS Task 1. No need to write today. Afternoon, it is. Review idiomatic expressions and colloquial phrases used in spoken English. In the evening, reflect on the week's progress, set goals for the upcoming week, and relax. Do not just focus on the mistakes. Remember, right decisions were also your efforts. Monthly plan. Regular practice, exposure to a variety of content, and strategic preparation for the specific IELTS tasks will be key to your success. During week 1, enhance grammar skills and create vocabulary lists. Words of wisdom. Be wise and revise. During the second week, focus on reading comprehension, listening to small podcasts, and writing coherence. During the third week, concentrate on refining writing strategies in conjunction with practicing IELTS-style speaking tasks. Week 4, review all sections and continue taking full-length practice tests, thus working on time management.